For today's video, I got a little bit of repair work to do on this sand car. If you look at that tire, you got a little bit of a lean to it. That whole arm is kicked a little sideways right now because we got some upper tabs and some tubes that decided to do a delete kit. That tube, the welds aren't ripped, it's the tube itself has ripped. And this is actually something I'm starting to see a little bit more and more on sand cars like this. This is a V8 sand car. A lot of cars like this were just built, turns out a little bit, in reality, a little too small. The tubing used on them, the diameters are all too small. This is an 1.5-inch car with, it looks like 90-ish thou wall tubing, something around there. I'll measure it once I cut it. But for a V8 sand car and the power that these are putting out, after so many years, these cars, that material is just not holding up. The bracing on this tube it's relying on this tube diameter for all of that support for this tab, and that tube itself has just finally failed. So we're gonna have to remove some panels. I'll get this thing jacked up on jack stands, get the weight off of the tires, get the weight off the shocks. We'll pull the shocks off of this thing and get to where we can be cycling this again. We'll have to come in here and see what we can do for some repair work. I'm gonna probably end up lopping this end off, doing a sleeved new piece of tube on there, and then adding some more gusset and support to kind of box that all in and give it some more bracing. This side has not failed yet, but we are gonna do the same repair to this side that I do to the other side. So whatever I come up with on the other side to fix it, we're gonna go ahead and just copy it on this side. So that way it doesn't happen to the other side, and then they've got to bring it back to me at another date anyways. Got the tires off of it, got it on jack stands, getting ready to start unbolting stuff. And I didn't even realize this tab's not even connected at all anymore. It's a fully ripped out piece. So arm's still a little crooked and laying on the strap. We're gonna have to get all this stuff off so we can get the alignment of this arm all back in the right proper spot and get that kick that's out of it, get it back up vertical. But crazy, just showing I guess a little better look. Once I get this unbolted and get the pieces off of here, we'll be able to see how bad it actually is. And actually, I had thought the other side didn't have any damage yet, but a little bit further inspection looking at it, we do have a crack right there forming already. So it's only a matter of time. This other side was just about ready to let go as well. So more than likely that's how the other side probably was a crack as well. Probably started out as a crack and eventually just got bigger and bigger, and finally probably hit a big enough bump where just peeled that whole piece right off. So got to finish tearing down this stuff. Side panels got to come off. Still got quite a bit of tear down to do before we're actually doing any repair work yet. So we'll get back at it. like it never happened. We have a buggy with a trailing arm welded back on. Don't mind my face and hair and the grinding dust and how dirty I am. My arms are covered. I've been going at this thing, trying to get a quick turnover on this, so been lots of grinding, lots of welding, lots of unbolting stuff, rebolting stuff, doing all that. It's super humid, so I'm really sweaty too. So anyways, not that you care about all that stuff. Thanks for bearing with me on another episode here at Dune Hippie Channel. Something a little out of the ordinary, a little dune fix for the holiday weekend. I did end up finding some cracks. Actually, I think I did in my first video I showed. There were some cracks on both sides, so I ended up getting those welded up. I did end up cutting off this cap on the end of this tube and then slid in there on each side a 2-foot chunk of, this is 1.5" 90 wall. So I slid in, or well, like 100 wall, and then I slid in an 1.25" 120 wall piece in there, and then drilled some holes in the front and back and plug welded it all along. And then checked, this link right here had, oops, falling a little bit, had a little bit of a crack on it, so welded that one up. So this buggy is ready to get picked up, ready to head back to the dunes and live another day. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you out on the dunes. Peace.